So if your Roku is set somewhere in the process, uh, 9 times out of 10, the issue is there has been a disruption in your Wi-Fi, or the Wi-Fi is just not connected. So why this happens, Roku cannot reach activation servers due to a network issue. And it's kind of like logging into an app and they cannot connect to the internet, right? So it's trying, but it's getting stuck because it can't reach the Wi-Fi. So what you need to check is your Wi-Fi. Um, Reset your router. You can either do that from the router itself, or a lot of times these newer routers will have an app where you can restart the network. If you can, move the router closer to the TV, and that's always going to help to test. If it is in fact the Wi-Fi, use your phone as a hotspot. Turn your hotspot on your phone, and then join that hotspot on the Roku. If the issues stop and go away, that means it is a Wi-Fi issue, and you're just gonna have to fix your internet. Um, and then it says guest networks and filters often cause this issue. So if you're trying to connect to a guest network, this could be causing the issue. So these are just a few things you can check to get past the setup screens here. Hope it helps. If it does, like and subscribe. See you next time.